Hello everyone, this is the CRT Productions and this is Windows 11. Yeah, no, it's not Windows 10, it's Windows 11. The CRT Shack has gone furry, so if you'd like some of that in your life, what the hell is wrong with you? Alright, here's Windows 11. No, I'm not doing this on a physical computer. I'm doing this in VirtualBox here. Normally I like to do this stuff on physical hardware, but I want to give this a real serious look here, as I do on this channel, of course. Alright, so right off the bat, this is Windows 11 supposedly. A leaked ISO. I know I'm a day late. Whatever. Right off the bat here, though, I'm seeing Windows 8. Am I surprised? Not really. I mean, you know, Microsoft's been doing this for almost a decade now, so we can pretty much just expect it. Yeah, install now. Identical to Windows 8, 8.1, and 10. All versions. We've got a product key. I don't have a product key because this is Windows 11 supposedly. Windows 11 Home. We can choose our edition. Which one should I choose though? I guess I'll go for Pro. That's probably what most people would do. Date modified 5/30/21. Go for Pro to get the full experience. Doesn't meet the minimal requirements. Okay. Alright, so I made some more changes and we've gotten another step further. Do I want to look at this or not? Well, depending on how you obtain the Windows software. Yeah, about that. So I installed Windows 10 very recently in a virtual machine. First time I've done that in quite some time, and it was not anywhere near this complicated. I don't know. Windows 11 doesn't like being in a virtual machine apparently. Let's see, upgrade. No. I want to upgrade. There's my unallocated space. 32 gigabytes of it, which is supposedly the minimum now. And yeah, now we're at this part. So again, I got good old Windows Vista, Windows style here. The arrow theme. That's nice if you like it, but I mean, here we are, what? Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10. You know, I guess 5 versions later, Windows 11. 5 versions later, we're still using it for this. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's not Microsoft's normal way of thinking, but apparently it is for this screen. So whatever. This is doing this a lot faster because I'm doing it on a SSD, and usually if you watch my videos, you'll see I install Windows 7 on hard drives and such. It takes like an hour and a half to get through this step. It's already almost through. We'll meet you back when it's done with this boring step. So I'm very curious about installing updates. If this is supposedly a leaked version of Windows 11, it shouldn't be able to connect to Microsoft servers? I don't know. We'll see. It's done with that. So all of that was identical to Windows 8, 8.1, and 10 for the most part. So far, all that's changed is the little logo there that just disappeared. There it is again. Alright. Starting services. This is all the same as Windows 10. Getting ready. Alright, well, just a moment. That looks familiar. So if you've installed Windows 10 recently, I feel for you. It's become a very painful experience. They have so many things you have to go through. Do you want to enable Cortana, whatever? There's the Windows logo. So it's looking like they have changed this. This is what I've been looking forward to the most with Windows 11. Now, of course, this is a leaked, supposed version of Windows 11, pre-release version. So I'm not going to, criticize it too much, but Microsoft has made some changes to the Windows 10 installation recently that are not very good. So I like that they select the United States. They should be able to guess what country I'm in based on, everything's hyper connected these days. I know that they know where I am. They can look up my IP or whatever and see. And here's the keyboard layout, US, whatever. Nope, I don't want to do that. So far this is the same as Windows 10, just looks different. So we're checking for updates. Interestingly, supposedly Microsoft hasn't released Windows 11 yet, so I would think they wouldn't want you to be using it, but who knows. Alright, how would you like to set up this device for personal use? Use a personal Microsoft account to get set up and have full control. Yeah, your organization, alright. Home, I guess. Add your account. Alright, so this is what I don't want to do. I don't want to add my Microsoft account. Okay, please sign in to login.microsoft.com. Insert your security key. Whatever. Other ways to sign in. Sign in options. Offline account. Sign in. Limited experience. I'm genuinely surprised by that. So that's the biggest thing that I hate about Windows 10 right now. They have changed it recently, not very recently, but several months ago they changed Windows 10, the installation process, to make it where you cannot log in with an offline account. You have to connect to the internet and connect or create a new Microsoft account when you install Windows 10, which I think is just ridiculous. They're still doing, they're still trying their best to convince you to make a Microsoft account, but yeah, they're actually allowing you to use an offline account. I'm very surprised by that. Password, can I not put a password? Looks like I can. Wow. That's very surprising. Location, no. Find my device. This is a desktop. I hope I don't lose it. Diagnostic data. What websites you browse? I'm not going to be using Edge, so. Inking and typing. I don't think I have to worry about that. Well, I guess typing, but I'm not going to be using this with a touch screen. Diagnostic data, websites you browse. Oh no, you're not looking at my website. Browsing history, Microsoft. My advertising ID. Oh yes, I absolutely want that now. Alright, accept. Alright, a little flashing arrow in the corner. It's kind of funny. Let's see what's new from Windows. So this is what it'll be doing, downloading the latest content for Windows 11. Alright, so now we're back to Windows 10. Hi. Getting things ready for you. Alright, so I must admit that was much more streamlined than Windows 10. They still got all the same stuff in there, like, I didn't see the part about Cortana. Maybe that's coming up later, but They still had the whole advertising ID and find my device, all that, but it was all one little screen. You could just click the little slider. That was actually a lot better than Windows 10. Once Windows 11 is officially released, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this. This is just Elite ISO, so I'm not going to be taking a really, thorough look at it. I'm not going to be, criticizing them based on this. I'm going to do a lot more videos, though, once Windows 11 is official, and comparing it to Windows 10, because Windows 10 has become a real pain recently. They've made it a real pain. It's not really necessary, but I like this so far. I hope this is the way Windows 11 is really going to be. Of course, this is a 64-bit ISO, so I was very surprised at the size. Was it 4.53 gigabytes, and we are in the desktop. We're looking at 1024 by 768 resolution, but that's alright. So Recycle Bin is now facing us. That's a little creepy. See if we can open it up. There's Recycle Bin. Little disappointed to still see Windows 8 in here, and Windows 7. Look at that little icon right there, Windows 7. So again, this is looking a lot like Windows 10 when it was first released. It had different icons. You can go back and look at my video I did on that. I did a video installing the very first version, the very first public release of Windows 10 from October 1st, 2014. And basically that was how it was. It looked the same as Windows 8.1 at the time, but had different icons for certain things. So we got Edge here. I don't have audio output device. I do have headphones plugged into the computer, but anyway, got Get Help here. Backup files and photos automatically. A lot of stuff going on here. Contact us. Did this resolve your problem? A lot of junk piled on top of each other. We're connected to the internet. That's good. We got the Microsoft Store. So this stuff is a little weird. It's hard to see that it even changes. On Windows 10, you can see very clearly you're on an icon down here in the taskbar. But a task view. Let me open some windows up and we'll see about task view. What is that? Internet Explorer? Hello? Internet Explorer. Alright. Task view. That's the same as Windows 10 pretty much. Say okay, yeah. Edge, complete. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Let's go to HTML5 test. Let's see. You're using Edge 90 on Windows 10. A little disappointing, but hey, whatever. I wouldn't expect them to recognize Windows 10 just yet. It's only been out for, about 24 hours now? Not quite, 20 hours. Let's see, camera roll, there's not going to be anything in there. I don't have any default pictures anymore. I miss the koala picture. Alright, so we've got a lovely thing here as our desktop background. Let's see if we can change that. Let's see what we've got. Need to activate Windows before we can personalize. Looks like we do have other pictures here though. We've got a solar eclipse, some more of this, a beautiful lake, and that. Let's see. Yes, all of this is, there you go, lock screen. Lock screen looks the same as Windows 10. Themes, we have themes. We got Windows Light, Dark. So they got a dark theme that changes the background of the image itself to black. That's kind of interesting. Captured motion. Alright, sunrise. Yeah, alright. So we can add fonts. Drag and drop to install. It's interesting. Not sure why they disappeared, but whatever. That's interesting. I will have to try that out once Windows 11 is officially out. Device usage. Select all the ways you plan to use your device. Okay, gaming, family, creativity, schoolwork, entertainment, and business. Very interesting. Not sure what that will do, but whatever. Let's see what's in my notification center here. Some apps were registered to start running when you log in. Okay, well, let's see exactly what those are. I got the Task Manager. That's very disappointing. Task Manager is the same as Windows 10. Alright, I mean, I do like the Windows 10 Task Manager. Don't get me wrong, but it's not looking like they've changed a whole lot here. So Cortana is disabled by default. That's very interesting. OneDrive is enabled. I usually disable that. Huh. Very interesting. Okay, so obviously the start menu, that is what's changed, but I've heard that you can change back to a more traditional start menu. Here's taskbar, but I can't really change settings right now. Let's see. Welcome to Windows. Get started. Let's see this. Let's make sure everything is set up. There's Windows 10. So this is probably just something from Windows 10. Well, here's some of the new icons, I believe. Organize and find all your files. Okay. Okay, so we got Twitter, PixArt. What in the world is that? Of course, it's not actually installed on the computer. It's just something you have to download. Okay, so we got Facebook Messenger, Photoshop Elements, Netflix. Got a bunch of junk. We got Solitaire. Of course, we got to try that. Okay, that's the same as Windows 10. Yeah, that's all the same as Windows 10. There's Solitaire Gaming. Here's our gaming benchmark for this video. I was able to move the ace there within a couple seconds, so that's pretty good. Let's see, it's nice fluid motions here. The graphics, that's all very nice. Anyway, something that I was very interested in. I'll see if I can even do this or not. New folder. Got a new icon for a new folder. Properties. Again, this all looks the same as previous versions. Let's see. Customize. Change icon. Okay. That's very interesting. Okay. So we still have Windows 95 icons. But it didn't actually change the icon of the new folder. That's odd. And now it has this, which I think is what it's supposed to be. But on here it's still showing this old weird tree icon, which I used to always use. See, that's weird. Okay, well, they changed it to that now. For some reason I was under the assumption that Windows 11 would not have Windows 95 icons in it, but it does. Let's see, so that one's still there. That was weird how I changed it to the one icon and it kind of updated it to a newer icon. Let's try this one with the old dial telephone. I like that. That one's still there. Look at that. Alright, PixArt Photo Studio just got installed. Let's see what this is. It comes with this, kind of. Sign in. Nah, I can't be bothered. But yeah, I'm very interested in these icons now. Windows 11. This is Windows 11 right here. Okay, so anyway, we have not removed Windows 95 from Windows 11 now. Still going strong. Let's see what else we can get into. So we got little power options here, shut down or restart. That's the same as Windows 10. Let's see, so we've got pinned apps here. I guess once you install a new program on the computer, it would add it to this list. So I guess it's kind of okay. I mean, it's still got Notepad. So that's the same as Windows Vista. So it got settings. I'm interested to see settings. That's exactly the same as Windows 10. I was hoping they might streamline the settings. So assume, let's see. You still search. Yep, still got Windows Vista's control panel. Windows 7. Still got backup and restore Windows 7. So they haven't really streamlined settings yet. Still got control panel. I assume, let's see, if we open sounds, yep, still got this menu right here, which is from Windows Vista or 7. I'm happy that they fixed the installation process. That was very frustrating, having to log into a Microsoft account or create a new account. But overall, they haven't really changed much. It's a lot like Windows 8 again. They changed the start menu. But besides that, what have they done? We still got Windows 95 icons here. This was the Hibernate icon, I believe, in Windows 95. So there's the new settings menu, this, and there's the old settings menu from Windows 7. So, they've changed a few things. One very big, very good change to the installation process, as I've said before, but it hasn't changed much, really. I mean, it just feels like I'm using Windows 10 with some strange modifications. Still got the random bloatware, but not really, because it's not actually installed. It's just on here for some reason. I don't see Candy Crush. I was very disappointed in that. It still have Windows. Still has. Didn't they say at one point they were going to remove Paint from Windows 10? They never did, obviously. Still got Windows 7 Paint and Windows 7. Windows Vista still use the Windows XP style paint. Look at some properties of the computer here. Monitored and protected, even though it's not activated. Windows 11 Pro Dev version for some reason. Build 21996.1. Feature experience packs. This all looks the same as Windows 10 again. Well, that was Windows 11. Again, this is just a leaked ISO. I'm not going to go into it too much. It's it is what it is, really. It's Windows 11. It's got Windows Vista 7, 8, and 10, with a little bit of Windows 95 mixed in there for good measure. You never can beat some Windows 95. And yeah, like I said, that's all I can really say about that. Once Windows 11 is officially released, I will be making plenty of videos on that subject, so we'll look forward to that. And yeah, well, I'll look forward to what comes of this great operating system that that Microsoft has blessed us with. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, and don't miss any great Windows 11 content in the future. Or Windows 7. It depends on what I do in the future. Who knows? Who knows? I might install Windows Vista on a computer. You never know. So be sure to not miss that. Join the Discord if you're a furry, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.